Good morning. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I make my bed every morning. I brush my teeth in the bathroom. I wash my face with clean water.
I drink a cup of hot tea.
I cook breakfast for my family.
I set the table carefully. I eat breakfast slowly.
I wash the dishes after breakfast. I take the trash outside. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor with water. I clean the furniture. I clean the windows. I use a vacuum cleaner.
I water the plants.
I fold clean clothes. I fold clean clothes. I clean the bathroom.
I take a short rest.
I go to the market. I buy fresh vegetables. These tomatoes look great. Best in the market. I'll take a bunch.
I pay the shopkeeper.
Thank you, miss.
I carry the bags home. I wash the vegetables. I cut the vegetables. I cook lunch. I fold clean clothes.
I serve the food.
I eat lunch with my family. I wash the dishes after lunch. I sweep the garden floor. I fold the clothes neatly. I talk to my friend on the phone.
I read a book in the afternoon.
I cut the vegetables.
I water my plants. I take a short nap.
I make tea in the afternoon.
I sit on the balcony and relax.
I wash dishes after lunch.
I read a book. I make tea in the evening. I sit on the balcony.
I cook dinner.
I set the table for dinner. I eat dinner.
I clean the kitchen. I watch TV for a short time.
I get ready for bed.
I brush my teeth before sleep.
I wash my face.
I wear my pajamas.
I read before sleeping. I turn off the light. I lie in bed. I fall asleep.
The moon is in the sky. The house is quiet. A new day begins.
I sleep well at night.
I clean the fridge. I organize the cupboard. I water the flowers. I visit my neighbor.
I fold clothes with my child.
I bake cookies at home. I play with my pet. I clean my shoes. I fold the bed sheets.